Good day, students. Welcome back to my channel. Please do not forget to like and subscribe. For today's lesson, we have multiplication of radicals. The product of the square root of two numbers is equal to the square root of the product of two numbers, and the product of the cube root of two numbers is equal to the cube root of the product of those numbers. In general, the principle is the product of the nth root of two numbers is equal to the nth root of the product of those numbers. That is, nth root of x times nth root of y is equal to the nth root of x and y. Let's have examples. Multiply and simplify the following. Number 1. Square root of 5 times square root of 3. Since they are both square root, we can combine them. That will be 5 times 3, that is equal to 15. So we have square root of 15. Since square root of 15 is already simplified, that will be the final answer. Number 2. 3 square root of 2 times 4 square root of 8. Again, since they are both square root, we can combine them. Let's combine first the whole number. 3 times 4, that is 12. And then inside the radical sign, 2 times 8, that is 16. So it will be square root of 16. By simplifying the square root of 16, that is 4. So it will become 12 times 4. And 12 times 4 is equal to 48. So our final answer will be 48. Number 3, 7 cube root of 2 times the cube root of 3. This time, they are both cube root. So first, the whole number, 7 times 1, that is 7. And then inside the radical sign, 2 times 3, and that is 6. So it will be 7 cube root of 6. And 6 is already in simplest form, so the final answer will be 7 cube root of 6. Number 4, we have 3 square root of 4x times square root of 3x times square root of x cubed. This time again, they are both square root. So let's multiply first the whole number, 3 times 1 times 1, and that is 3. Then inside the radical sign, 4x times 3x times x cubed, that will be 12x raised to 5 because 4 times 3 is 12, x times x is x squared, times x cubed will be x raised to 5. By simplifying this one, we'll have 3 square root of 4 times 3 because 4 times 3 is 12, and 4 is a perfect square, then x raised to 4 because x raised to 4 is a perfect square also, and then x. Simplifying this one, we have 3 times 2 because square root of 4 is 2, times x squared because square root of x raised to 4 is x squared, then mariretain si 3x. So 3 times 2 is equal to 6, times x squared will be 6x squared, square root of 3x. So for the final answer, we have 6x squared is square root of 3x. Remember this. The product of the square root of two numbers is equal to the square root of the product of two numbers, and the product of the cube root of two numbers is equal to the cube root of the product of those numbers. Again, in general, the principle is the product of the nth root of two numbers is equal to the nth root of the product of those numbers. That is, the nth root of x times the nth root of y is equal to the nth root of x and y. Again, thank you for listening. God bless.